Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender and host with another fun cocktail. And today we're going to be answering the call for Rob from Rob's Home Bar, Dave from Booze on the Rocks, and Vino Valentino from 60 Second Cocktail with the Love Potion 2021. Special cocktail for the famous Day of the Love, Valentine's Day. And what a better way than go very French on this thing. Let me show you how we're going to be making the French kiss. Please stay here with me. Let me show you how we do it. So, super simple, super easy, very fast, and very sexy. So this is actually the combinations that you're going to be having with this cocktail, you guys. Chambord, a little bit of a sparkling red wine, vodka, mint, raspberries, and a little touch of lemon. So we're going to start building it in our mixer, and we're going to put approximately 4 berries per cocktail. So let's put around 8 berries right now, and let's put some mint leaves. Let's get, I don't know, probably like 2 little bushes, and just let's toss them in there. Also, we're going to grab ½ ounce of fresh lemon juice. Obviously, you're going to make one for you and one for your loved one. So let's go for a full ounce of that one. And let's just give it a little muddle, guys. Try just to break the raspberries and get the oils of the mint, but don't go too far. I mean, you need to have a little bit of a hole in it. Now that we have all our stuff muddled in your mixer, let's go for ½ ounce of vodka per cocktail. So we're going to go for a full ounce right here for 2 cocktails. Chambord, you're not going to need too much, you guys. You're going to need just ¼ ounce. So we're going to go for ½ ounce for 2 cocktails. Let's get some ice and give it some shake. Get a nice couple glasses of pre-chilled flutes, champagne flutes, and let's just share this thing halfway. Okay, so well, don't be deceived because it looks like a really tiny amount of liquor right here. We're gonna actually top this baby with some red espumante or a sparkling red wine. Okay, color is just perfect on point. And now, if you have the chance, just melt some chocolate, fill up your raspberries, put a mint sprinkle on top, and just put them in the freezer for like 2-3 minutes until the chocolate gets hard again. That way your raspberry is not gonna be wiggling all over your skewer. And here you go, you guys. The Love Potion 2021. And happy Valentine's to every single one of you guys. Cheers, and please be safe.